When the vacuum is in the floor mode, it does not close. Sorry, my dog. This valve. You have to manually close it in order to get it. But then when the vacuum is upright mode, the valve is closed. Once again, if you put it in vacuum mode, the valve does not close.
Is it nasty? Yes.
Yes.
Upon opening, a Bic lighter was inside the box.
Right.
Canister was cracked at seal. Oh, there's hair inside the floor attachment. Filthy hair used
Inside the
dirty.
room.
And then on top of that, where the suction, where
The
you
canister
seal
attaches to- right.
there was a here.
When you empty the canister,
Here.
okay,
Open it. Here is a
right here,
cracked.
right here.
Where's the hairline? It's completely
Go close.
right there. That's it. Cracked.
Right here. That it. Move up.
There it is. Okay.
That's it.
Beware.
So you were kind of wondering how the Dyson did, and this is after I've vacuumed the upstairs first with the Auric. And then I went over the same upstairs carpet with the Dyson. Yeah, that's pretty gross. After Dave gets home, I'll empty it out onto a piece of plastic so we can see even better how it did. I think a lot of it's cat hair and dander.